Okay, as promised, here's the instructional video on how to download the Golf Canada app on your phone. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Android phone, but for iPhone users, it's the same process aside from using your App Store to download the application. On Android phone, we are going to use the Play Store to download the application. So let us go ahead and press the Play Store to download the app. It will bring you up to this page. You press search right here, and then you go to search bar, type in Golf Canada, Canada right there. And as you can see, the Golf Canada app, mobile app text shows up at the bottom underneath the search bar. You click that, and it will bring you to this download page. This is the icon for Golf Canada, and this is the install button. You press this, and then it will start downloading and installing the app on your phone. So we are going to wait for the application to be downloaded and installed on our phone. Okay, so while we are waiting, it does that, and it's so pretty much quick. So you click this, it will bring you to this page. That means the app is already downloaded on your phone, and you hit or select or press open right here. And then it will bring you to this Golf Canada page where you sign in or create an account. For this demonstration, I'll be signing in because I already have an account. For the new members, for this one, you select create an account and create your username and password for your Golf Canada account. The username is normally the email that you used for Golf Canada membership. So I'm gonna hit sign in right here. It will ask to enter your username, enter your password. I'm gonna cut the video right here so I can type in my email address and password, and we will continue after I log into my account. Okay? Okay, so let's continue. I type in my email address right here, and I got my password, and I select sign in. It will bring me up to this page, which is the home page for the Golf Canada app. Right here, you'll see I have friends and their scores. This is from the previous members. If you have friends that added to your account, you'll see this. If you don't have friends yet, you can add your friends afterwards. But here is the first thing to note. This red circle with the plus sign on it is the most button that will be used for this for the Golf Canada. Okay, this is the button to use to enter your score. So let's press that, and then it will show up right here: create post, start a round, and quick post. So what I normally do when I post my round is I use a quick post right here. I select that, say access geolocation while using the app. So right now I'll bring you up here, post a score. So select a course. Let's say I played in Inglewood right there, and it's a blue tee. I selected the blue tee right there, and it's 18 holes. If you play 9 holes on the front 9, you select that. 9 holes on the back 9, you select this. Sorry about that. And if you played 18 holes, you select 18 holes right there. You have two options to post your score: post hole by hole, which is this one right here. You have to put your score in every single hole from hole number 1 to hole number 18. You have the options to do that, or let's click done right here. Or what I normally do is post total right here. If you select that, and then you enter your total scores, for example, it's 85, you hit done. And then there you are, your score is 85. You can edit that if you made a mistake by clicking this, or you can delete that if you wanted to delete that. And this is the date You can select the date when you played that course from this selection right here. For example, it's February 2. Right there is a okay. And then it will ask you if you played alone. No for no if you played with other friends. Yes if you played alone. Played in a tournament. No if you don't play in a tournament. Yes if you played in a tournament. So you click those. You scroll up and then you hit and save the round. Okay? That's all I do when I post my score on Golf Canada. Now, if you want to be more detailed, you can do post hole by hole. For this one, I'm not gonna save the rounds so it doesn't add to my current rounds because I really didn't play that, so I'm not gonna save it so it doesn't add to my handicap. So I'm gonna X this one right here. Okay, so that, guys, that's pretty much it. So you log into your account. Once you log into your account, you are in there. You just open the account and it'll bring you to this page. Hit the plus button with the red circle on it. Uh, quick pause or start a round or hole by hole, whichever you choose. There is a GPS built into this application. So select a course. For example, Inglewood. If you're playing blue white, 18 holes, that'll be your name right there. You can add fellow Golf Canada members on this, up to 4 players, stroke play, and then you hit start a round right here. So this is very handy if you don't have a golf watch like Garmin or any type of brand of watch to use for distances. If you don't have a rangefinder, you can use this because it will show you the whole layout and the yardage and the distance from the tee to the green. Okay? And at the same time, you are able to enter your score here. You press the plus button. If it's a par 4 will show up there. If you bogey, press plus sign. If you par or you birdie, press the minus sign and it will show birdie right there. And after you put in your score, hit go to next hole and it will bring you to the next hole and it do the same process, enter your score until hole number 18. So all the information that you need for that hole, for that course will be up here on your screen. It's part 3, handicap 17, 161 yards. Enter your score hole number 1, hole number 2. Okay? And it's pretty handy. It's free. It's free to use as long as you have data on your phone. Now, if you made a mistake and you wanted to edit a score in a particular hole, you go up here. It's hidden underneath. You drag this up. You show up the every single hole on the course, and then select the hole that you wanted to edit, and press, and then edit, and then change the score, and then save it, and then at the end of the round, after you finish 18, you just hit finish round right here. And that's it. It will save your round on your Golf Canada app. I'll be able to see it. Everybody can see your scores and then your handicap after the round. For this demonstration, I'm going to delete this because I don't want this to be added to my round. And then you'll be directed back here after you posted your score. Now, if you wanted to see your profile, there is a profile button right here at the bottom. You select that. It'll show your profile. You have the option to change your picture. This is how many followers you have. I have 45 followers. I have 43 people that I'm following. And this is my handicap index, and this is the low index. So it will show up here, and then it will show how many rounds you played on the scoring history. Current year, I don't have any yet. If I press this, it will, and select last year, will show up all the rounds that I played last year and the golf course and the scores that I made on those courses. Okay, even up to the year 2023, you can still see uh, your score. So if you want to go back and wanted to see how you did on that course on that day, you can go and select this under your scoring history. So I'm gonna put back to my current year, and then once I played my round, it will be up here for this season. But for now, this is the most important part right here is your handicap index and your low index. And I'll be seeing that. Everybody will be seeing that. How are you doing, and what's your current handicap right now? Okay, so guys, this is it. If you have any questions, let me know. I can help you. Send me an email, send me a text, call me, and I can explain this to you further. But this is how easy to use the Golf Canada app. Okay, all right. For the Android users and iPhone users, it's the same process. You just need to select the Play Store for an Android and the App Store for iPhone users. Thank you.